Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. And as you hopefully understood in my last car video, I really adore the Mercedes SL R129. So of course this was an absolute must for me. Let's see what it is. So even though I absolutely am, I say this with proud and brag, an expert about the R129. Of course, when I see a new book, I'm gonna get it. You can always learn more and still appreciate everything about the car. The funny thing is that just recently, while I was waiting for this book, somebody wrote to me who claims to be an expert and brags that he has this R129 book that is really thick and has all the information. It was this book. I wouldn't call it thick. By the way, this is just an old one. I think you got this when you bought the car. Unsure, but anyway, about thickness, whatever. If we like the car, of course we want to see pictures and learn more. And here's a lot of information. Very nice. I'm gonna enjoy reading this. Cars Archive, I don't know if I even pronounce it correctly. They have a bunch of these books about different car models. They have one now about the Mercedes SL in general, all the models. But this was the one for me, the R29. Advertising images, over 200 pictures with historical comments from 1989 to 2001, which is the production's year, even though the Silver Arrow is a 2002, only sold in UK and US. But I have a big post about that. All right, I think this is it for this unboxing. Very lovely pictures. Nice book, nice quality. And I see now that all the text is in bold English and I'm guessing Russian. Yeah, Russian. All right. Very nice. So if you have, oh, here we have the Silver Arrow. Yeah. So if you have an R129 or if you love the car and hope to get one day, of course this is a must. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I just thought of something. If you know somebody that has this car, a 129, or just loves it, this is the perfect gift to give someone. Absolutely a perfect gift for someone that has it all.